Let's go with the next problem. Look at this. Simplify the function f of a, b, c, d, summation of m. They are given the midterms with a don't case, okay? But in this question, they are not specified whether to go with a map entered variable or not. But by default, it is quite understood. We are supposed to solve the problem given the expression by using map entered variable. So if they are not specified whether to go with a 2 variable or 3 variable, so you need to look after the expression. If the expression is 4 variable, so then it has to be condensed to 3 variable. Okay, if the given expression is 3 variable, then it has to be reduced to 2 variable. Okay, in case sometimes they will explicitly give in the question itself, if the given expression is 4 variable, if they want the problem to be solved by using 2 variable, they will specify it, or 3 variable, they will specify it. Okay, so now let me solve this problem by 3 variable. The given expression is 4 variable. So 4 variable f of ABCD, 4 variable means obviously 0 to 15. So I have written the binary numbers A, B, C, D, 0 to 15 binary numbers, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, like this. Okay, so you have just two groups. This is I am just making a last column as a map entered variable. You need like two groups, you need to do it. So if you want to solve the 4 variable expression by using 3 variable expression, means 4 variable means 2 to the power 4 means 16. So 16 inputs we have. If you want to solve it by using 3 variable, means how many inputs would be there? 8. So if you want to reduce 16 to 8, means you are supposed to combine 2, 2, 2. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 you are going to get. So as usual, now you are supposed to combine these two. When both function, the given expressions they are 2 they are given, write it 1, 3 they are given, 1, 4, 5, so 13, 15, 13 and 15, 1 and 1, don't case 8, 9, 10, 11 or don't case. Okay, so what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to apply the rules now. So when both are 0 and 0, just write 0. When both are 1 and 1, just write 1, 1 and 1, 1, 0 and 0, 0. Okay, don't case and don't care, don't care, don't care and don't care, don't care, 0 and 1. Look at this, these and these are both the same. So this column is D. We have made this column as map entered variable, so you're supposed to write it as D. So in case if it is 0, if it is 1, if it is 1, if it is 0, I mean reverse, then you're supposed to write it as D bar, but it is as same as D. ಈ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 1 ಆಗಿ, ಇದು 1 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 0 ಆಯ್ತಂದರೆ ಡಿ ಬಾರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 1 ಇದೆ, ಸೊ 0 1, ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಡಿ, 0 1 0 1, write it as D. So this is converting this 16 inputs to 8 now. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 8 inputs. So now you're supposed to construct a 3 variable K-map. Okay, you can construct a 3 variable K-map means you can go with this structure or this structure, both are on the same. If you are going to with this structure, so you need to remember this 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 0 is here, 0 like 0, then 1, then 2 is 1, 3 is 0, 2 is 1, 3 is 0, then 4 5, don't case 4 5, don't case, then 6 7, right, 6 is D, 7 is D, like this you need to fill, or else go with the previous problems which we have solved, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, like this. Okay, so if you follow this method, the expression which you are going to get will be different. If you follow this method, the expression which you are going to get, the expression will be different, but both are right. Expression might differ, but the thing is the method is same, and answers no matter what, both will be right. Okay, so don't bother like the expression which you are going to is differs, it's not wrong, it's not like it will be wrong. Okay, so they are filled like this, they are grouped like this. Look at this, they are grouped. Okay, this is don't care, they have taken don't case as 1 and 1, D and D. So by considering don't case 1 and 1, D can be, these two variables are grouped, this is a quad, so everything get cancels. What is this? 1 means A, I have written is A, and within group we have D, so that is supposed to be written as AD. You are supposed to take the variables with which is present within the group. So similarly, we have taken here A, B, C. I have taken the variable, no? Similarly, so we are supposed to take the variable which is present within the group D. So this is A, this is D, A, D, and I have pair here. Okay, if you want to go with a pair for this one, both cancels. This is B, C. Sorry, B bar C. I written here. And for this one, A bar B, C bar. Okay, this can be done like this, or so we can group like this. Quad, this is single, this is one, this is one. See, look at here. So here one can be isolated. Don't go in this one. Don't do it like this. Okay, if you do it like this, okay, this is going to be wrong. Why? So first I have done a quad. Okay, I have got AD. Then this one, when you fold it like this with a don't care, you're going to get B bar C. Okay, so then we have one here, single one. So we don't have one here, we don't have one here, right? So if you combine with this, if you combine with this like this, so what is you going to get? A bar D you're going to get. A bar A cancels, B C bar D you are going to get. The answer is B C bar D you are going to get. Okay, rather than combining, you can write like this: A bar B C bar. Getting? Let me go with the next problem. Look at the problem. Simplify the function. They are given a 4 variables f of a, b, c, d. Using 3 variable MVV K-map. You are supposed to use 3 variable K-map like this, but the number of inputs here is 16. But in case of 3 variables, we have 8 boxes. 8 inputs can be filled in this 3 variable K-map. This 16 has to be reduced to 8 now. So all these 0 to 15 I have written. So these min terms are filled with ones. Don't cares are filled with x's. So the remaining filled with zeros. Okay, now let us compare. So 1 and 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So both are same. So I written D. Look at here. So in this case, so look at here, 0, x is don't care. So we will be in a confusion whether to consider this don't care as 0 or 1, right? So go with the next one. So when 1 is 1, so both comes in a 1 box, right? So now consider this as 1. This don't care as 1. So when both are 1 and 1, so write it as 1. So now write this is 1, this is x. Go to look at the above. This is 1, this is x. Now take it as 1. So 1 and 1 is 1. 0 and 0 is 0. 0, 1. Same as this D column. So write it as D. 0, 1. Same as D column. Write it as 1. 0 and 0, 0. So this 16 is reduced to 8 now. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So fill in the K-maps. Group it. So you can group like that, or you can group like this. You can group like this. So I have a quad here, and this variable can't be isolated. This variable can't be isolated. Always try to group the variables with a 1. So don't group 1 with a variable. Okay, always try to group the variables with ones. Okay, don't group if this was 1. Okay, if it is 0, in case if this was 1, this was D. So don't try to combine like this. Okay, go with isolation for that one. So this is D, this is 0. Combine this variable with 1. Okay, so you're going to get this expression. And one more thing, don't pair D with a D. Okay, you can't pair with D with a D. You're going to get this expression, or else you can follow this method, horizontal manner. See what they have done. D they are combined, grouped. and 1 1 similarly. This, look at this, 1 is paired with a D, 1 is separately written expression and D is separately written expression. This 1, what is the expression for this? B C D bar. So 0 1 cancels, this is B C bar and D. I've written here. For this one, 1 and 1, this is A bar, I've written A bar. Here B is common, C bar get cancels, A bar B. For this, this is B bar C and D. This is this one and this one pair, 1 0 0 1. So B bar B cancels, C bar answers and A bar, like this.